lot of theory books, there are a lot of practice books, and I can solve them on my own. I can read and learn, and I have online tests also, online classes I can attend.
Wow, that means there are two main factors that are there. I think that is, one is the learning desire, and other one is now online platforms are available everywhere, so you can get all the help you want from the comfort of your home. So Devdatta, I know the result, the type of success you got here, it requires a lot of sacrifice. So I just want to ask you one thing: what sacrifices did you make? Like there are some things that some people will never notice, but you will never forget about these sacrifices.
Yes, I had to sacrifice many things, like I did not go to outings usually, and like I did not attend parties. Avoided as much as possible, and also I was completely away from social media.
Wow, that is a huge thing, because nowadays kids of your age, they just go here and there for some content, and it requires a lot of courage and self-discipline. Was there any moment, like big or small, that now you realized that changed everything for you?
There was not such moment, but I stood first in my class 10 board exam. So after that, many people started keeping huge expectations on me, and so I thought it was my duty to do well in future exams also.
Wow, मतलब उन expectations को आपने burden नहीं बनने दिया, and you turned those expectations into your source of encouragement.
Yes.
So what would you say to other young girls who are brilliant but they are scared to dream this big?
I will tell them to dream, because dreams once transform into thoughts, and then thoughts results in action. So they have to dream big and do whatever they need to do for achieving this, and they need not pay heed to others' words. So they should just keep on studying. That's it.
Now that the rank is yours, what part of the journey will stay in your heart forever, like even more than the result?
I will not forget that I gave almost uncountable tests in during this journey, and also I shall not forget the sacrifice of myself and that of my mother. That will remain in my mind forever.